So hello my beautiful souls, welcome to my channel. This is Deepa and this is Divine Tarot by Deepa Sri. So in today's energy update, so let's check my lovelies, what is it? Okay, so I am planning to use my light seers today for this reading, right? So let's check what is happening in the energy belt. So one significant astrological change, I can see a tower below, is, right now Saturn has entered, it has left the nakshatra of, Uttarabhadra, and it has entered the nakshatram of Revati, which is the last nakshatra, right? So yeah, what does this signify? So firstly, because Shani was in his own nakshatra, which talks a lot about speed breakers. Shani telling that no, this is not the time, because Shani is the king of time. Shani telling that wait, still the time has not come, now the lock has opened. Let me tell you, till October is going to be in Revati, which is the last nakshatra of the zodiac belt, which I am doing my nakshatra series, right? I'm in Magha right now, and I have to upload next Purva Falguni, right? So your last, the 27th nakshatra. So what does 27 add to 9, right? So the last nakshatra, the last wife of moon, yeah, Shani has already began his debilitated transit. So from here, Shani is known. So from here, Shani is known for his debilitated transit. Like from here, he has began, right? So what debilitated? What does Shani debilitated talk about? And let me tell you, it happens once in 27 years. And if I have to count the 6 months and all of that additional transit, 30 years. So after 30 years, so this is a complete cycle. So if you see all the problems we have with gasoline, we have with, everything is being reset. Now we are going to enter, because Shani has entered his best friend's nakshatra, that is Revati, which is ruled by Mercury. So Shani has entered his... So from here, the speed breakers, which were, halted by Shani, yes. So you have this fast moving car, right? And Shani put the speed breakers because he told that it's not the right time, because Shani is the king of time. So right now, because Shani began his debilitated transit, Shani in Revati nakshatra is already considered, debilitated even before he goes in the house of Mesh Rasi, right, where he gets actually debilitated. But from nakshatra, already from Revati we count. So what was slow will be double speed. A lot to do with wands energy. So a lot of speed, a lot of fire element, right? So a lot of speed. So this is the right time. The divine timing word happens here, right? So in October again is going to come back to, Uttarabhadra, and again permanently go back next year February. So rough 4 month again is coming back in Uttarabhadra nakshatra, right? So on that thought, we're going to shuffle this. So that was about Shani. What is it? The role of it in your twin flame journey is what things you didn't see, you would see here. Remember that Shani is Shani. And like I was telling you, why is the dollar price so high? Because of Shani. So it would hit an all-time high and then dhad fall. So that is a scenario which would happen, like it would hit all-time high, because Jupiter, which is coming next month, I'm gonna make the video of Jupiter transit where I have in my birth chart Jupiter exalted. I have 2 planets exalted, that is Moon exalted in Rohini and Jupiter exalted in Ashlesha, right? So Jupiter, which is going to see Saturn, is going to do that. So it's going to hit all-time high and then dhad fall down. Yeah, I'm talking about dollar, right? So okay, so what do we have? Universe, I saw first 7 of cups, 6 of cups. Somebody is clueless. That's what I see with the tower, with the devil fighting this mad attraction towards you, right? So yeah, so also I based on the transit which is upcoming, Shani's transit ahead and all of that, will USA be USA is the question, because I told very clearly when Jupiter is in Gemini, it talks a lot about US. Yeah, and you saw what all happened. Yeah, when I made the Jupiter transit in Gemini video, when I told that all about US, right? So what would this do? You have to wait and watch. First of all, I am skeptical. Will US split? Right? So, in this Jupiter transit, I also feel like I told in my other video, I feel like Anushka Sharma would make a comeback. Yeah, I really feel that. Because Jupiter Exalted is coming, right? Next month, sorry. I'm actually excited to see her. And I think in all the movies, obviously, Rab Ne Bana Di Jodi is my favorite movie of her, right? So, but as an actress, if I have to, like, in the current people, in actress, I think I really like Deepika. Yeah, actually, my soulmate one was a huge fan of her. Yeah, so he used to really like Deepika. So yeah, so anyways, getting to the reading. What is the first card? Universe, Two of Cups. Oh my God, this is my actual twin flame card, and I think after ages it is coming first. Even after shuffling this much time, what do we have? Sun. We have. I'm getting a lot of happy energy between you and your twin. Yeah, and Lights Years is my second deck which I purchased. Yeah, in the year 2015, I think so. Yeah, so it's been long time. I have a long history. Eight of Wands, dude. Wow, all these three talk about like a pack. Like, a lot of things which you worked hard, no matter where you are in your journey, what union you have done, something good news is coming for you. Like with you and your twin, you are in sync. Yeah. So yeah, so with the three cards which talk about like Two of Cups, Sun. What does Sun talk about? A lot of, happiness. So I really feel like with the Eight of Wands, your person, like people are coming and talking about you, because Eight of Wands talks about from all directions, like this card is. Yeah. People are coming and talking about you to your divine masculine. Yeah. They are showering a lot of praises. Sun, which talks about praises, a lot of golden aura, a lot of solar plexus chakra, which talks about confidence. So I feel like like for example, if you just see your divine masculine, the first thing they talk about is you, divine feminine. They talk about you because of the Two of Cups. And your person earlier that felt triggered is now enjoying it. He enjoys when people talk about you. Yeah. Because all the three are giving to me happy cards. Queen of Sword. I feel like very, if you are also into video making and all of that, Queen of Sword talks a lot about talking. Like your verbal, about your second house, about your third house, which talks a lot about communication. So people are talking about your communication. Right? They're talking about how well you speak. So yeah, so if you are in my gang, wherein you make videos, Divine Feminines, wherein you make content, it's a lot being spoken about. Yeah, so I'm getting that. So what's the next card? Four of Cups. It's also being spoken about that. Let me tell you, when anybody from your circle of your divine masculine see you, they can also see your happiness, which talks about Sun, but they can also see you what you went through. Four of Cups. All the journey that you went through, how far you went. For example, when anybody, you leave my psychic side aside. So yeah, if you take my modeling side, I have mad freaking following in that. And if I want to, I can be an actress. I get so many movie offers. Other day, 2 days ago also I get. But I remember that where is my, so true. Yeah. I remember that where is my, yeah. So where is my, goal? I remember that I have another profession. Yeah. So why I'm talking about this is the Four of Cups. It's not easy. Let me tell you, as in psychic field, you have so many psychics, but it is not easy to shine in the field of fashion, in beauty. It's not easy because so many beautiful people are there, but it's not easy to have a name in this field. Yeah. So my person, my V also appreciates that because he freaking knows how this industry works. It's not easy to have a name here. It's not easy to, maintain. To maintain yourself. Yeah. And let me tell you, in this field where everyone is fake, I'm fucking natural beauty. Yeah, because I want to age. I want to age the Karina style. I want to age. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay if there are wrinkles. It's okay if there is white hair. It's okay. Yeah, so I want to age naturally. So your person appreciates that. Yes, and you're a freaking divine feminine. Yeah, I even stopped wearing foundations, dude, because it doesn't suit me anymore. So as you go towards naturality, like, you know, even if you meet me without my makeup, I'm actually more good looking. Yeah, many people tell me that. But let me tell you, when you come in front of camera, you need to look presentable, because the camera catches, it doesn't look good if you're not ready. So yeah. So whatever decisions I took, for example, when I was working in Deloitte, also during my weekends, I used to go for my fashion shows. Why I'm telling all this is, you know, things change in life. Yeah, it changes. The Four of Cups talks about that. I was obviously thinner than what I am now. Yeah. And I was freaking Miss Catwalk. Yeah. And I also won Miss Beautiful Face and Miss Beautiful Body. Yeah. The combination face and body, right? So now, but I can't stand, like, I can't, now it is a little bit better, but I'm talking about 3-4 years back when, you know, I just can't stand in my heels also. Yeah. So, time changes. You know, if you climb the mountain, you have to get down the mountain. You can't stay on the mountain. You have to come back to the ground. So that is all about life. Yeah. So everything, it's okay. So I feel like you should enjoy your life in phases. For example, I studied hard. I'm a freaking, like, till today in the university, when they see my this modeling side, nobody believes. But, you know, you have to get out of this conception that someone that's good looking, that dresses fashionable, cannot be intelligent. Yeah. And someone that dresses, you know, in a more seductive way or more fashionable way doesn't mean they're characterless. So these are the thoughts which you need to change, which I which I strongly stand by. Yeah. So, you know, after so many years, I feel like going back on the ramp. Yeah, but I have to a little bit maybe lose weight. But it's fine now. Like, I have been, you know, taking care. Like, I've been physically active, and I feel like I'm in the right, you know, height versus shape right now, right? Is what I feel. But since I have thyroid, yeah, it fluctuates a lot. So yeah, why I'm telling this is, for example, you know, everybody asks me the secret of social media, how did you crack and all of that, because when they start getting into this, it's not freaking easy. You know, doing the toughest of platform, it's like IIT exam is YouTube. It's very, very hard, of the toughest platform. You cannot subscribing is very, like, you know, what do you say, subscribing is free of cost, but you don't see people doing it. It's very hard to connect to an audience. Yeah. So, you know, many people ask me, you know, the funda of how did you achieve million followers and all of that. Let me tell you, it's not easy. I'll tell you what it means. I'm not doing to get these. I'm doing what I love, and this followed is the thing which I want to tell you guys. So your even your person, because this is today followed by Two of Cups, appreciates your growth. And let me tell you, I want to tell you that it doesn't mean that if you have million followers, you're the greatest divine feminine. Please don't think that. In the spiritual realm, what are you doing? How pure of a soul you are, it matters. Yes, even if you are helping 10 people with your psychic power, for my divine feminines who are psychics, it's enough. It's okay. At least you're changing 10 people's life. For example, all the divine feminines that watch my video, that connected to me from the past 5 fucking years, I'm happy through this screen. I'm, encouraging you, boosting you, right? So it matters all about that. So we have the card of Two of Swords, giving a direction. So your person's, like, we knows how fucking shit, like how tough it is, this field. It's not easy. It's not easy to maintain a persona. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes when I can't, I just take a break. I just take a break of week, 10 days. Sometimes it can't. Our body is not always the same. So yeah, so people are a fan of your growth. Yeah, including your person is what I see here, right? Can be in your own scenario. Yes, for me, because we my twin is an actor. He understands the beauty industry and he knows how I came here, right? So that 10 of Pentacles. So it can also be for some of you, like if you went through a lot of family struggles, right? So like for example, I lost my dad at a very young age. So we understands that. So I'm seeing a lot of family. 10 of Pentacles to me is family. So I'm also seeing like your person is very highly craving happy moments with you. Yeah, he's missing, all the memories with you. Yeah, like he wants to hang out with you. He wants to like go on a trip with you, is what I'm feeling, right? Empress. I am getting a very strong wife energy because let me tell you, Two of Cups, Empress, and every golden card is in this reading today. Like it's very significant. I feel like, I'm hearing, why did I waste so much time? Why did I take it so far? So if you see, every emotional, card is in this. So it means that your person is understanding your pain. So let me tell you, in love, it's very important to know each other's pain because then you would love them deeper and you would understand their struggles deeper. So here, because we began our reading today with Two of Cups, it talks a lot about like your person is connecting with you in an emotional level. So that is the, star of the reading. And after Empress, I don't feel like picking any other card. So that was your reading. Yes, my lovelies. So it talks a lot about like your person is connecting with you on an emotional level. So let me tell you why this is important. Because this divine masculines in this journey, in between become heartless. Like, when they begin their journey, when they're in the unawakened state, like, even if their heart is, connecting to you, because of them being so much with the karmics, it makes them doubt their feelings and also you during the initial phases. So now it's very good news because your person is connecting with you on an emotional level, and I said that Jupiter, Venus are together. So obviously that would happen. So check out for the title of the video. Yes, my lovelies. Also check out my new channel, which I'm going to upload new video. So stay tuned. Until then, yes, my lovelies. Thank you so much if you watched till the end. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Until then, this is Deepa bidding a bye. Bye, guys.